Okay, so this is day one of my spring 2020 cleaning out my room. So basically I'm just cleaning out my room. Right now I'm just rearranging a couple things. I would also like to get my sheets changed on my bed and the pillowcases and stuff, especially where the coronavirus has been going around. And I've been out a couple times here and there. So I'd like to kind of change those. And then I have a couple of things that I'd like to hang on my wall. And then I'm also working on cleaning out that bookshelf back there. And also another bookshelf that I have in front of me. But, and then I'd also maybe like to get rid of some craft supplies or just organize through all of that. And then I've actually been working on my closet. So it's kind of empty. And right now I'm working on getting a tote with some DIY supplies inside of it. So I've gotten this cabinet empty. And my goal is to put this tote into my closet, and there are some of the sheets that I want to put onto my bed. So I've got all of that clean, and I'm working on putting that stuff in there, and I'm going to finish up with putting this up in this cabinet, and then I will have this area clean. Okay, so the next thing on my list is actually I have one laying back here. But, so it's like this garland stuff that I've had for a long time. And I've never displayed it. And I have some command strips. And I've noticed in the background of my videos, behind my door has been looking really plain. And I actually have quite a few of these. I actually have some really cool ones. Like, these ones have elephants on them. So I think I'm going to hang them up behind my door. So. Okay guys, so it's a couple days later, but I'm going to continue my cleaning my room 2020 spring clean out, and I've just been feeling so unproductive, so I'm going to do some cleaning. So here we go. Okay guys, so this is going to be day 3 I think for this vlog. Today I'm hoping to clean and organize all of my drawers and see if I can fit any more clothes in here, because right now I have some of my clothes stored in another cabinet in another room, but I definitely have enough room in here. I just need to get everything sorted out and then get it in here. So first off, I'm just going to go through my drawers, organize them, and then see if I really want everything in there. So cue the timer. So for the most part, a lot of my clothes are like in the wash or just being stored somewhere else right now. So that's why a bunch of my drawers were already practically empty. And my dresser was actually pretty organized from my closet clean out at the start of 2020. So I think now all I need to do is move some of those clothes in. And then I have this other area that I was thinking I may put some clothes, but I'm not sure yet. And then I can hang some stuff in my closet. So we will see.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk